Welcome to Neo Tech Vision 2026, where we are dedicated to empowering future minds through science and technology. Join us at Mahamevnawa Buddhist College DEMALAGAMA for an extraordinary journey into the world of innovation. Experience the third grand edition of our prestigious science and technology exhibition, returning bigger and better than ever. Witness how classroom theories come to life through practical hands-on scientific demonstrations. Explore over 40 diverse exhibition stalls featuring medicine, plant and animal diversity, automobile technology, engineering innovations, principles of physics and chemistry, mathematical concepts, aviation, and awareness on narcotic substances and drug abuse, etc. Discover the creative genius of our students as they showcase groundbreaking invention and research. Mark your calendars for March 19th, 20th, and 21st, 2026 at our main school premises in Delgoda. Open daily. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., we invite schools and technology enthusiasts from across the region. Ignite your curiosity and develop critical problem-solving skills. With the power of scientific thinking, don't miss the chance to see the future in the making. This is Neo Tech Vision 2026.